Hi, my lovely Capricorns. This is True Goddess Tarot, and I'm here to do a business, career, finances reading for you at this time. The decks we will be using is the Halloween Oracle. We will be getting a Maroka X or 2 or 3. And then we will be using the Cute Ghost Tarot, and then closing out with some messages from the Entrepreneur Oracle. Alrighty, Spirit, please give us clear, guided, and divine insight for what our lovely Capricorns are currently experiencing within work, career, and finances. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Spirit. Bambrak, sweetness and synergy. Interesting. The bottom of the deck, we have ancestors, the lore, the love and legacy of our DNA. So you might be hitting the sweet spot within something to do with the legacy that you will be leaving here on this planet. Alrighty, Spirit, what else do we have for Capricorn in regards to work, career, and finances? Please and thank you. Unclear. Money is either tight or not receiving what you expected. The answers you are seeking will remain unclear for now. Your basic needs will be met. The people you spend the most time with shape who you are. Give us one more, please and thank you. For Capricorn, career and finances. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Charity. See where you can give more of yourself to helping others and make a difference. Humanitarian work, human rights, justice, or advocacy work could be right for you. Donating can create positive energy around you and attract more abundance. At the bottom of the deck, we have unfulfilled. You could have an emotional attachment to a job that is no longer serving you. Explore what your wants and needs are and consider a change. If you're unhappy with your income but too scared to, says you're unhappy with your income but too scared to make any changes. Interesting. I feel like that resonates for me, that last portion. Anyhow, okay. Let's get into the tarot here. Alrighty, what is Capricorn's current energy within their work, career, and finances? Capricorn's energy in work, career, and finance. 5 of Coins. Feeling lack. Wanting your emotional fulfillment, your emotional abundance within your work, career, and finance. What is Capricorn's ideal situation in regards to work, career, and finances? It's a lot. Just a side message here. You are wanting to have your success and your victory here. You are wanting to be seen. You're wanting to build your foundations to be able to give and to receive here and to release any grief. What is one card, please, for Capricorn's ideal work career situation? We have the 7 of Cups and the Lovers here. So this is making a choice on something that you've been dreaming about. That is your ideal situation. And moving on. possibly to a new company, to a new, creating a new business, something that's a little more energetically pleasing for you. What is a blockage for Capricorn within career and finance? Your emotional stability. Give me a sec. Your emotional stability is what is causing a blockage for you. I think maybe if you're comfortable where you're currently working and you're not wanting to rock the energetic boat that you're in, you know, could very well be a blockage for you. Okay, what is a solution for Capricorn in regards to work, career, and finances? Too many. The Queen of Cups is showing up, so we do have a divine pair here. But so this is just a little side message. Solution here is making a choice to embark on what your higher self is telling you to do here, and to move out of the energy of pure exhaustion and no direction here. And what's interesting is the Ten of Coins is at the bottom of the deck, and earlier I did see the Ace of Pentacles popping up too. Okay, what is the solution for Capricorn? The solution for you is to build a new foundation that is more balanced in your work life. Something where it can bring some more happiness into your life. More light, more joy, more freedom. New collaborations here. Sharing information. Potentially. Something that's brighter in energy for you. What is some advice for Capricorn in regards to work, career, and finance? Please and thank you, Spirit. Oh my gosh, you keep getting these stories. Okay. So, a solution. I mean, this is just a side message here. Spirit is wanting you to really balance out your situation here. Manifest what you want with stable, steady, grounded, passionate action here. Releasing any conflict or battles, whether that's internally or externally. All right, give me one card, please, Spirit, for the solution for Capricorn in regards to work, career, finance. One card, please and thank you. So your solution here is to win at all costs. Interesting. And then your outcome in regards to work, career, and finance. We have the Knight of Coins. Beautiful. Your outcome is to really build your foundations here, lay your groundwork, be slow and steady. Slow and steady wins the race here in regards to this. Okay, let's clarify what this Five of Coins is for your current situation. Five of Coins, please and thank you. I think that one wants to come out. King of Wands. So you are putting your energy out there and you are manifesting. You are manifesting your dreams here, but for some reason you're feeling some lack in regards to that. Please clarify what this Lovers and Seven of Cups is, please and thank you. Lovers and Seven of Cups, please and thank you. Yeah, you want to take a new adventure, possibly travel. You want to bring forth some new journey in your life, whether that be a passion project, work, career, business, whatever it is, you're ready to, your ideal situation is to embark on your dreams here. And you know what you want here. Yeah, you're ready. You're wanting to close out an old cycle here. Get some time to rest and recover, and then decide which way to go, because you are so exhausted, but you're ready to transform your situation with judgment here. Okay, what is this King of Cups in regards to the blockage for Capricorn? The Moon. So you're not clear exactly what it is that you want to manifest here with the Magician at the bottom of the deck. So that's your blockage. You're not clear. You need to get clear with yourself on what you want to do and what you want to bring into this world. Give me one card with the Moon. What is this Moon in regards to the blockage? Yeah. You don't know, you're ready to move forward, but you don't know what it is that is going to bring you the success and harmony and peace that you want. You don't know what it is yet. Okay. Please clarify the solution here. King of Wands, the Queen of Wands, the Ten of Pentacles, and Fate. Wow. Okay, so we have a divine pair here. So you have a significant counterpart in your life that might be essential to your whatever you're trying to bring in here, whatever this project is, whatever this business is, whatever this promotion is, there is somebody who is essential here into bringing forth your legacy and your destiny here. And the wheel is shifting in your favor here. It will be. You're going to be releasing any pain or heartache here, any grief, sadness. Yeah, you're working through it, and you might even receive a new message in regards to work in some area of your life, or within some regards is what I meant to say. Okay, and then for your advice, what is the Five of Wands for advice for Capricorn? Please and thank you. So we have the Nine of Wands and the Six of Cups. So we have the Nine of Wands, the Ten of Wands at the bottom of the deck, and the Six of Cups. So your advice here is to not work yourself to the point of over-exhaustion and overburden and over-wearing yourself. Give yourself time with loved ones here, or doing something that you love, or being around people that you love. It's your advice. Take time out for yourself. And then your outcome with the Knight of Coins here. What is the Knight of Coins for the outcome, please and thank you? What is this Knight of Coins? Yeah. With patience and time. Patience, time, laying the groundwork, balancing your situation out, you will receive your blessings and your rewards. Your hard work will be paying off. That is your outcome. You're going to be leaving behind anything that doesn't serve you anymore here. You're not holding back. Yeah, there might be a significant relationship in your life as well. Somebody who keeps you really grounded and stable. Not that you aren't already, because you are a Capricorn, but somebody who just really adds or complements you in that manner. Okay, let's go ahead and get a few closing messages from the Entrepreneur Oracle for you. Ooh. Wow, okay, so we have connect, social media. Use social media efficiently to connect with your audience. Be specific about what outcome you desire from your efforts and focus your actions there. Rejuvenate. Yeah, that's exactly what I was saying. Relax. Business can be exhausting. Give yourself time to nourish your body and refresh your spirit with a deep sense of well-being. Create. Get creative in your business. How can you break the rules in your niche? How can you create momentum? How can you zag when all the others zig? And then we have at the bottom, flow. Get more done by entering the flow state. Completely and joyfully focus on what you're working on without multitasking. Beautiful. Alrighty, my lovely Capricorns. I hope this gave you some information. I hope this helped. If it did, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much, my lovely Capricorns. I will catch you on the next one. Bye.